for it? Okay. Sergio, day 3, or adjustment number 3. 3 weeks in. Now, his wife, Consuelo, is saying that he's actually starting to... What's he doing with this arm?
He's trying to move.
He's trying to move it. You can see it.
More
Okay.
stronger.
It's getting a little stronger on the left hand, which had 0 movement at all 3 weeks ago. Okay, so first stop, we go. This one is C2, but this side of the brain controls this side of the body. So we release the pressure. You ready, Sergio? Good. Respira. Good. Good. Some movement in there, and then this is the atlas on the left side. This part of the brain controls this arm. So you have to be careful because his skull is completely sectioned over here. And so we just get in, and we open, C1, breathe for me, Sergio. There you go. Breathe. Okay, now try to connect to your hands. Squeeze your hands a little bit. Make that hand work. Good. See his eyes, he's looking at me like, what the hell did you just do to me? He's like, what are you doing to me, honey? Good, and we got his good roll here. Good. See. Okay, squeeze. Yeah, he's squeezing there. That's good. Yeah, he's got a good grip there. Real good. See that? He's... Ooh, that's good. Anything over here yet? You can see those. Mueve los dedos. There you go. A little movement. Otra vez. Mueve los dedos. It's good. It's starting to wake up though. There's a little bit of signal. The signal's getting back. So, perfect. Stay tuned. Watch Sergio's recovery.